YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing garden landscaping design ideas and how to create a dream garden you'll love with beautiful landscaping design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An extension of your living space, a garden is a canvas waiting to be transformed. Garden landscaping design is the art and science of shaping this canvas, breathing life into it with plants, hardscaping elements, and purposeful placement. It's about creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor haven that reflects your unique style and complements your home's architecture. Garden landscaping design goes beyond simply planting flowers. It's a comprehensive approach that considers several key aspects. Functionality: does your garden cater to your needs? Do you crave a serene escape, a vibrant entertainment area, or a productive vegetable patch? Aesthetics: designing a visually appealing space that complements your home's style and incorporates elements like textures, colors, and focal points, flow and movement, creating a cohesive space that guides visitors on a journey through your garden, with defined pathways and transitions. Sustainability: choosing plants and materials that are native to your climate and require minimal maintenance, ensuring your garden thrives with minimal impact on the environment. Investing in garden landscaping design unlocks a multitude of benefits. Increased property value: a well-designed garden can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and value. Enhanced curb appeal: a landscaped garden adds visual interest, making your property stand out from the neighborhood. Improved functionality: transform your garden into a practical and enjoyable space, be it for relaxation, entertaining, or cultivating your own food. Stress reduction: studies show that spending time surrounded by nature can significantly reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Habitat creation: landscaping with native plants fosters a healthy ecosystem, attracting pollinators and creating a haven for wildlife. How do I make my garden landscape look good? Here are some key steps to ensure your garden landscape looks its absolute best. First, assess your space, measure your garden and consider factors like existing mature trees, sun exposure, and drainage patterns. Second, define your style. Do you lean towards a formal, geometric design or a more relaxed and natural aesthetic? Third, plan your layout. Sketch a rough design incorporating key features like pathways, patios, and planting beds. Fourth, choose the right plants. Research plants suited to your climate and desired functionality. Opt for a mix of flowering plants, shrubs, and trees to create visual interest throughout the seasons. Fifth, incorporate hardscaping elements. Patios, walkways, retaining walls, and water features add structure and functionality to your garden. Sixth, accessorize. Statues, planters, and garden lighting add personality and enhance the ambience of your space. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 best garden landscaping design ideas. 1. Create a focal point. Attract the eye with a stunning water feature, a vibrant sculpture, or a majestic tree. Point 2. Define borders with edging. Create clean lines and add visual interest with edging made from stones, bricks, or metal. Point 3. Layer plantings. Combine plants of varying heights and textures for a visually dynamic garden. Point 4. Embrace vertical space. Utilize trellises and climbing plants to create vertical interest and define boundaries. Point 5. Incorporate pathways. Create inviting pathways using stone, gravel, or pavers to guide visitors through your garden. Point 6. Carve out seating areas. Scatter comfortable seating throughout your garden to create intimate spaces for relaxation and conversation. Point 7. Don't forget lighting. Strategic lighting adds ambience and allows you to enjoy your garden in the evenings. Point 8. Design for privacy. Use strategically placed fences, shrubs, or trellises to create privacy screens for a sense of seclusion. Point 9. Consider sustainability. Choose native plants that require minimal watering and use eco-friendly materials like recycled pavers. Point 10. Incorporate a water feature. The soothing sound of water adds a sense of tranquility and attracts wildlife. Transforming your garden from an ordinary space into a personal paradise is within reach with thoughtful garden landscaping design. By considering the tips and ideas outlined above, you can create a beautiful, functional, and sustainable garden that reflects your unique style and brings you joy for years to come. Feeling inspired? Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more garden design inspiration and expert advice. We have a wealth of videos showcasing stunning garden landscapes and practical tips to guide you on your landscaping journey. Let's cultivate paradise together. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.